I'm here with Bjoern Kulmann, Director of Sustainability at Ball Corporation, for the second part of our series about the company's commitment to sustainability. This year, Ball Corporation has identified 6 major sustainability priorities. Today, we'll be discussing the operations, supply chain, talent management, and community priorities. So I know that you've further broken down your operations priority into 6 sub-priorities. What are they, and how do these differ from the priorities mentioned earlier?
Our 6 operational sustainability priorities are electricity, natural gas, water, waste, volatile organic compounds or VOCs, and safety. These are our major impact areas, and they are what we can influence in our own 4 walls and on a day-to-day business. We introduced the term Big Six for our 6 operational sustainability priorities in 2008, and it helped our employees and the plants to understand what the complex concept of sustainability actually means for them and how they can influence it. We installed systems that allow us to track all the environmental and safety metrics in our 60-plus plants globally, sometimes even in real time. By measuring our consumption, etc., showing the data on the shop floor, and raising awareness throughout our workforce, we created a high level of commitment to sustainability within our operations. Last year, we also introduced an internal sustainability award. Each Ball plant can win based on their improvements on the Big Six and our corporate sustainability priorities year over year.
Most of the priorities we've discussed so far are focused internally. Could you talk about the ways that Ball has brought its supply chain into the sustainability equation?
Sure. The majority of the money we spend on goods and services goes to our aluminum, steel, and coating suppliers. At Ball, we have proven long-term relationships with these suppliers. However, until a few years ago, we never looked into their sustainability efforts. But when you know that the vast majority of environmental and social impacts throughout the life cycle of our packaging occur in mining and metal production, you should better have a good understanding of related risks and also opportunities in your supply chain. That's why we started to introduce some more formal processes in order to assess our suppliers' sustainability performance. And sometimes, in order to get the full picture, you have to look further up the chain to our suppliers' suppliers, which makes the task even more challenging.
How did talent management and the community factor into sustainability? Why did Ball decide to make them a priority?
In our 132-year history at Ball, we always believed that we can only succeed long-term if we are considered to be a good corporate citizen in the communities where we operate. While we supported numerous great organizations and projects through financial contributions or time dedicated to certain projects, we certainly became more focused over the last 2 years, especially when we launched the Ball Foundation in late 2010. We want to create win-win situations through our community engagement efforts. That's why we now have a more strategic approach to our charitable giving by supporting organizations that solve problems central to our company values and our business strategy, for example, in the areas of education and recycling. And last but not least, talent management is critical for our mid- and long-term success too. Companies are competing for the best available talent today. We created systems over the past 2 years that help us to acquire, assess, develop, and engage the best talent to help us grow. On the one side, our sustainability efforts help recruit new talent because college graduates today want to work for a responsible company. On the other side, these highly motivated and engaged employees will also benefit our sustainability efforts by bringing new ideas to the table. When they see that they can influence how we embed sustainability in our business, their motivation is kept at a high level and they are great ambassadors for Ball Corporation.
Thanks so much, Bjoern, for talking to us about Ball Corporation's commitment to sustainability. For more information on Ball Corporation, its products, or its sustainability goals, visit www.ball.com.